Hi everyone, welcome back to another chemistry video presented to you by COGO. Today we're going to talk about ocean acidification. So today we're going to talk about three main points. We're going to talk about what is ocean acidification, how is it caused, and what is the impact of it. Well, ocean acidification has something to do with the pH level of the ocean, which has been steadily increasing over the past, reaching approximately a 30% increase in acidity. This sustained increase in acidity affects the ability for shells to form and fish to live in the oceans. How is ocean acidification caused? Well, when carbon dioxide is released into the air, carbon dioxide dissolves into the ocean, creating carbonic acid. Using Le Chatelier's principle, there's more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere due to human actions, which means that if there's more carbon dioxide, more carbonic acid will be created to match the increase in carbon dioxide. This change is called the Le Chatelier's principle. However, carbonic acid is not the only thing that is synthesized due to carbon dioxide. Carbonic acid becomes bicarbonate, which becomes carbonate. Carbonates are usually used to make shells, which is calcium carbonate. However, because there are more H+ ions, the balance is broken. The excess hydrogen causes the carbonate to return to bicarbonate form. And this means that more and more H+ ions allow carbonates to bind and disappear, not allowing shells to form. Now that you've learned about ocean acidification and how it is caused, what are the impacts of it? Well, ocean acidification impacts many ocean species, especially the mollusks. So certain fish have problems detecting predators or find habitats with more acidic waters. Also, ocean acidification is just one aspect of climate change and the effect that carbon emissions have on our environment. Again, thank you for watching another chemistry video by COGO. We hope that you learned lots from this video and that you will keep on watching our future videos. Thank you.